ओके गाइस कुछ नहीं ਇੱਧਰ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਸ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਚੱਕ ਲਓ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ये yippee हुर्रे की पूछने लग गया है okay Puttu, I know it's your birthday and happy birthday to you. First of all, I wish you very 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 happy birthday. All these years that you have spent, I hope कि बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ I know ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ I just doesn't hope but I know I will make them not I will make them I will do my best to make them lot better every day. My effort will be there every day. So it's your birthday and I am very bad with gifts, so I know you are not accepting like a lot of gifts and other worldly materialistic things that people do, but somehow somewhere in our mind we are still in that rat race. So but I am not in that rat race, although I'm feeling a little bit bad because I'm not in that rat race, but also I'm feeling good because I'm not in that rat race. And by this conversation I think I am becoming you. Okay, I've got this from you, but seriously this thing is good and bad. I know you are also same, you also think same, but anyways my point is I'm not buying any worldly gifts. So all I have that I can give to you is I am putting it in a poem, and this video is a gift. You know, from last 4 days I'm thinking what to gift, and for my whole life I have gifted people photos and videos. To you also I have gifted photo frames and videos. This time I wanted to make it different. I was like no video, no photo, that is for every year, but in the end I am gifting you this video plus other things. So I am putting my gift in this video in a form of a poem and some other things in the video. So let's begin. You have waited enough. Waited, is that a form? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਉਡੀਕ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੱਕ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਆ ਇਹ ਅਨਕਟ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਬਿਗਿਨ
Hello. Happy birthday, Sony.
Happy birthday, Sony ma'am.
hello Didi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sony Masi. May God bless you.
Hello
Didi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Enjoy your day.
Today on your birthday, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday.
So yeah, wanted to wish you a very happy birthday and wanted to wish a lifetime of happiness and togetherness, especially with your partner. And
ਸਰਵਜੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਨੂੰ ਜੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ 33 ਸਾਲ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਡਮ ਦਾ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਗਿਫਟ ਕੋਈ ਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋ ਇੱਕ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਲਿਖੀ ਜਾਏ ਤਤਕਾਲ
on this very special day, I couldn't express more. Just wrote a few words for you on your birthday. To a sister on her birthday, I haven't thanked you enough for all the smiles you have given. I haven't thanked you enough for all that you have shared. I haven't been thankful enough for the advices you have given.
ਬਾਈ ਚਾਂਸ ਮੇਰੇ ਗਿਫਟ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਟਾਈਮ ਸੇ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਮਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੋਇਆ 2-4 ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਿਫਟ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਖੁਦ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ
I want to tell you today that I'm grateful to you. Grateful for sharing your laughter and tears with me. I'm grateful for sharing your loss and achievements with me. I'm utmost grateful for sharing your life with me. Giving me a title as your sister, you have given me everything.
You still are my role model, my favorite teacher. Every time I talk to my mom about 2016, the best year of my life, which has been made possible because of your existence.
You know, what I remember the most is the year that we spent together in Badu Sahib. The talks that we had in the mid of night, you know, with that cup of coffee, especially the time when it was Saturday and we knew that next day we just have to, you know, sleep whole day, and maybe you wanted to sleep but I wanted to wake up.
I will be there whenever you need a hand to stand up when you fall. Always will be there when you need a shoulder to cry on. I will be there whenever you need to spoil your child. Would love to do that. Always will be there whenever you need to share secrets. You have had some tough times, but you have always been strong. All those times we talked and dreamed about your partner. Sister, I'm so happy you have found and married the one you dreamed.
I must say you got a good and very, you know, loving partner, and hope you both stay the same.
ਇਸ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ ਧੰਨ। ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਆ ਕਿ ਵਿਆਹ ਨੂੰ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਮਨ। ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਸੀਕ੍ਰੇਟ ਹੈ। आपको देख चाहे जितना मर्जी दुखी होवा, आपको देख के चित्त हो जाता है प्रसन्न। क्या बात है। कविता हाले होर पई। डोंट थिंक आई एम डन।
It surprises me how these years have been passing lately. You have become a wife. You have become a mother.
I couldn't thank God enough for blessing you with a bundle of joy. As his name Ajit, he wins everyone's heart and is a lovable boy. But today on your birthday, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday and lots of love, strength and a very fun-loving motherhood and blessings for a happy family. Mrs. Sarabjit Kaur, what could I say? You are special in your own way and I love you for that. Happy birthday once again.
I remember everything that you've taught me, not only in English, life lessons of course, and they'll always be with me. You will always be with me. Every single jewel in every single atom of my body will always be so thankful for your existence.
This was the video. Actually, it was the idea of Jijo, but I wanted to support him, so I'm here doing this video. Wanted to, you know, can't do anything in person, so this was the way that I could, you know, interact with you and get, you know, wish you happy birthday.
Thanks Jiju for giving us this idea for making a video so we could reach our very sweet and caring sister. Thank you.
Making this video not too long, keeping it short, and just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Wish I was there celebrating it with you all, but you know, life had different plans, so I'm here. Okay, so voila, happy birthday once again. Bye bye, tada, Paul.
And I really love you. I really miss you, and happy birthday.
Warm wishes for you. English poem inspired from Reena. Warm wishes for you. It's your birthday. Stay happy like this every other day. I, myself, my body, mind and soul, please accept as gift. That's all.
I know, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਜਗਾੜ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਖੜਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਿਆ। While no experience in this. Okay, why I'm talking in English? Yeah, I think I just got your ghost into me. Yeah, I should leave the English. Okay. Coming to Hindi. Oh, why Hindi? Man, we are Punjabis. Chalo, Punjabi vi channe ha. It feels so weird, you know, after English translating myself into Punjabi. Okay, yeah. Punjabi. Okay. So, what I was saying was that. Okay, no. Okay, starting over. ਹਾਂ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਤੀ ਉੱਠਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਾਤੀ 2 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਦੋਂ we used to get upset, we used to go to walk, ਆਪਾਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਪੁੱਲ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ I remember that ਪੁੱਲ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਮਸਤੀ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਟਾਈਮ ਸੀ ਐਨੀਵੇ ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਹੋਪਫੁਲੀ ਸੂਨ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਮਸਤੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ I'm talking in this accent just because this was the the accent that Sonia speaks in. Yeah.
ਪੁੱਤੋ ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸੋ ਸੌਰੀ ਆਈ ਹੈਡ ਲੋਟ ਆਫ ਅਦਰ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਇਨ ਮਾਈ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਬਿਫੋਰ 5-6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਨ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ ਔਰ ਔਨ ਲਾਸਟ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਐਂਡ then we got carried away, we got busy with kid, with the Ajit Singh and everything, and before our anniversary. Okay, do I look like I'm making an excuse? Okay, forget everything. I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਬਟ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ I am so lazy. I'm so sorry, but forget birthday. I will try to fulfill them whole month. Okay, so it will be better if the surprises will keep coming during the month. This was my game. On birthday you might expect things, but it's not happening because it's happening later. Yeah, that is the game. You know everything, but I'm finishing this video here and I love you so much. I hope you are not standing outside the door listening to me ਚੋਰੀ ਬਣਾ ਰਿਹਾ and okay, bye bye, tada, adios esposa, take care. खत्म इतनी लंबी वीडियो बना दी मैंने. So how's it?
I have never cried and laughed at the same moment. So this was a soulful experience to have. I mean, it's for him, it's just a video, but this video took me so close to my loved ones, brought them right here in my house without taking any pains. They were right here with me. I could share the bond with them and I could share that existence, and above all the heartfelt talks could be delivered 7 seas over, and this is the final gift for me. I'm not expecting anything else. Whatever comes by will be additional percons which we generally just out of the social stigmas, not stigma, I would say social norms, we expect birthdays, opening up presents on birthdays, so that might give a temporary happiness, but this kind of present, this kind of gift is going to be with me for a lifetime because it has touched my soul, and the messages that came across, the heart-to-heart messages that came across are million times better than any other worldly stuff. So this was an amazing gift. Thank you.
I am thankful that she liked it, that you liked it. And one thing I want to add is I put the camera here so that I could record her reactions. So I was not expecting anything how her reactions would be. Mostly I was like she will be happy. But what I didn't know that I could get emotional while watching her video. And I was almost about to cry, and that's why I had to hide my face during the video, because I never want you guys to see me crying. There is only one video, and I have not watched that video. She edited it, she uploaded it. So because we are so connected, and whatever she feels, I